Andu aingi aria makoraga na thina wa Gwatuka Kiromo ona kana ciana nini guciarwo na thina uyu aingi maturaga mehithite nacio ciana nini kuhithwo na kaingi maumagira riria kwagia na urigiti utari marihi. Na kumana na wingi wa andu aria mari na thina uyu wa Gwatuka Kiromo, Gikundi kia Bela Risu unyitaniri na gikundi gia Smile Train nimahingurite thibitari uria ukoragwo kurigita mathina ma Gwatuka Kiromo kuri ciana hamwe na andu agima na gutiri ciringi ona imwe mundu aribatara gukuriha niguo kurigitwo.
So Bela Risu Medical Center is the first standalone comprehensive cleft care center in East and Central Africa. So what do we mean by comprehensive cleft care? When a child is born with cleft lip and palate, it's not only the surgeries they need. They need a lot more care throughout their developing lives until about maybe 21 years. Some of the things they need is like nutrition. As I said, the surgeries themselves, they need to have their speech developed well.
Thibitari mirongo iri guku bururi-ini iria nyitanire na gikundi gia Smile Train ni ikoragwo ikiheana urigiti wa guthinjwo na guthondekwo thina wa Gwatuka Kiromo na mundu ndabatie kuriho naki no a Kenya ingi matiui. Imwe cia thibitari ici ni ta Bela Risu Foundation, thibitari munene wa Kenyatta, AIC Kijabi, Nyeri Rifaro, Ebu Rifaro na Gertrudes gatagati kaingi.
Who are born with cleft are stigmatized. Most of the time they are isolated, they are bullied and have challenges with social interaction. And the myths and misinformation surrounding cleft make it difficult for these patients to even access care.
The Ministry of Health is committed to the attainment of highest standard of healthcare for all Kenyans, in the spirit of leaving no one behind and achieving universal health care.
Thibitari uyu ugukorwo ri wa mbere gukorwo kirigita mathina maya. Ndagitari Martin Kamau akiuria a Kenya gwitikagira gutwara ciana guthondekwo thina uyu tene kuona mwana wa kuma mieri 3 no athinjwo na hone.
Standalone center, but we also do last mile care, so we also go into the areas where the patients are. And so one of the things that we found is that, yes, you might say that the surgeries are free, but people don't want to come out. There are taboos, there are personal convictions towards free surgeries. They don't think it's quality.
There will not be a hospital. It could be a teaching and training centers. It could be a research centers, and it could be inspiration for the young generation towards the humanitarian work and volunteerism.
To research in the community and try to sensitize our people, try to tell our people that now we have a facility that offers a solution for cleft lips for free.
Kuma mwaka wa 2017 makiria ma andu 3,000 ni mathinjitwo na makarigitwo nginyagia kuhona kaimana na makahota gutheka ringi. Na kugerera unyitaniri wa ikundi itiganite na muoroto wa kurigita thina uyu wa Gwatuka Kiromo niguo nduri urihotithagia kuheana urigiti uyu hatari marihio mothe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.